Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically post GIFs on your Instagram notes. It is what they have on their latest update, so you need to update your Instagram first. If you have more than one account, it's going to only be on like one account first, and it's going to be slowly rolled out to your other accounts. So keep that in mind when you have multiple accounts, because I have it on this account, but I don't have it on my other Instagram account. But basically, you're just going to go to your Instagram DMs over here. As you can see, my friends have posted GIFs on their Instagram notes. To post your own, you're just going to press your note here. There are three options: music, location, and now they have the GIF option, which is in green. I think it's the same color for everyone. So it's this one over here to the very right. And I'm just going to type in the GIF I want. I want to post Sabrina Carpenter because she is headlining for Coachella, duh. And I am going to type in Sabchella. I'm not watching her, obviously. I'm at home working. Don't have the funds. Sponsor me, I'm just kidding. I do want to go to Coachella one day. Don't know when I will have the money for that. But anyways, sidetracking here. Sabchella, share. And there you go. You can also kind of like view other people's notes here. Like you can kind of like click on them so it will kind of like zoom in and stuff. Okay, this is still posting. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Super cool. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Ooh, my Wi-Fi is not working. There we go, note shared. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.